Hi, this is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a quick tip on materials and molding lines, specifically like material grain direction for wood. Let's say I've got this poly line and I'm going to convert that to a molding poly line, and we're going to change this to replace this to just like a cove molding like that, so we can see it. All right. First of all, you'll notice that let's put another solid in there like so. We're going to create that as a slab. And this molding is 1 3/16, 0. So I'm going to take this molding, and first of all, I'm going to not extrude it inside. And then we've got to change it and reflect vertical. Aha, there we go. So let's say it's 1 and 1, and we're going to make this at 0. This slab is going to be 1 inch thick, 0. Now let's move this into place. In this example, which I got the example off of a question on Facebook, we're making a cabinet door essentially. So there's that. If I apply my maple texture, we can see that the maple turns directions on this top line here and right there, and I don't want that. So I'm going to select this molding, and we'll click on the top line and turn that molding off, and this line and turn that molding off. And then I'm going to copy, paste, hold position, and I'm going to turn this one on the bottom. See here. Molding slab. I don't want the slab, that's the problem. Molding on selected edge. So that's the bottom one. That's the one I want to keep on the bottom. Very good. So I'm going to turn off the right and left sides and turn on the top and bottom sides. So I keep the miter. So I technically have, whoops, there we go. I have two moldings here, but it keeps the miter, right? So I'm going to open this molding and change the material. I'm going to click on Plan Materials. I'm going to copy this, and instead of -2, I like doing 90 degrees so I understand what the difference is. And we're going to go to the pattern and change that angle to 90. Oops, not 900. 90. Click OK, click OK. Let's look at our camera here. Let's turn off our backdrop. And so you can see now this texture goes this direction. This texture still goes down through there and goes that direction, as does this here. So this is a molding with the bottom and top turned off, and then this is a molding with the left and right turned off. Now I select all three objects and I can convert that into a cabinet, door, and drawer. We won't add that to the library. Let's just drop it right here and look at our camera. You know what? It doesn't look like it worked. Let's see. Let's open this up and go into materials. Let's try this. Let's paint that on there. That's strange that it switched it when I changed it to the to a door object, a library object. It changed the direction of that, but you can change that quickly by just changing that. Because it's a separate material, you will see that now as the two in the materials here. You'll see that as two options to control. Once you change that, you'll just have to save this back to your library, and then you've got it set for good. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.